Tube Mastery, a course by Matt Parr on how to make money with YouTube. If you want to make money on YouTube but aren't sure whether or not to upload recordings with your face and photos, Tube Mastery and Monetization program has you covered. Tube Mastery and Monetization is a course created by Matt Parr, a well-known young business innovator, to help those who want to make money on YouTube without exposing themselves. Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization course has proven to be a popular topic among those looking to make money on YouTube in the long run. Individuals might earn money online after the training is completed by just transferring recordings on the stage rather than getting on the picture. Isn't it invigorating and exciting to know that you can make a lot of money even while you're sleeping soundly? Matt Parr's course can be a wonderful response for those who have lost their jobs and are barely able to provide for their family in these difficult pandemic scenarios. Individuals can put an end to their financial problems by sending a YouTube direct and posting recordings according to the course's regulations. If you look at the list of the most popular YouTubers, you'll see that many of them have their own channels. You don't need a large number of endorsers to start making money because you already have a channel. The amount you can get from this site isn't determined by the number or even the number of views the recordings receive. Commitment, your specialty, and revenue channels are among the other major barriers. It's worth noting that the list of the top workers isn't entirely made up of people who make a living only from YouTube. The bulk of them make money through selling merchandise on the channels, which accounts for a significant portion of their salary. A huge majority of them created the channel or record first, then set out their stuff. So, what does this imply? Overall, it suggests that you should be aware of the requirements that your channel will impose. Similarly, as top employees, you should build a strong foundation before selling any products. You should be able to spot a niche and milk it for all it's worth. The potential for assistance should be considered while choosing a specialty. If you have brands looking for channels, you will be able to generate a continuous stream of cash from your channel. If you enjoyed this video and found this information useful, please share to help others, and I will leave a link below where you can get this amazing course. Thanks for watching.